Hey, kindleunlimtied here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your washing machine. This is to ensure that things stay sanitary when you're washing your clothes, garments, linens, or whatever. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of simple tools that you need. Baking soda, vinegar, scrub brush if you want one, and then if you want to actually use like some natural soap or detergent to wash out any grime, I like to use Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Castile soap. We will have links in the description below to ensure that you get the best price on whatever cleaning solutions you want to use for cleaning out your washing machine today. And be sure to check us out over at kindleunlimtied.com because we have a ton of different houseware stuff, everything for your kitchen, laundry room, whatever you need. We're basically a marketplace in our own right. Links will be in the description below. So let's do this thing. What do you need to do to properly clean your washing machine? I will show you how simple this is within like 60 to 90 seconds. So here we go. So what you do is you get, grab this really quick. You get 2 cups of vinegar, usually like white cleaning vinegar. I use rice vinegar, any vinegar really will do. And then you get half a cup of baking soda, any brand, Arm & Hammer. Links will be in the description below for that stuff. And what you do, first off, actually, before I open this, is you want to put it on a normal wash setting with the hottest type of water. Mine says hot, cold, warm, warm, so I'm just going to use warm, warm just to be safe so it doesn't put cold water in there. You want to have some hot water running through this thing, though. And then extra rinse is off, and then I have my water level at large just so it really fills the whole canister. But you want to have it on a regular setting. So once that's done, open up your thing. I put Dr. Bronner's in here already just to kind of go in there. And if there's any like dust or, dirt or grime or whatever, get in there, scrub it down, do your thing. Clean out this, clean out your bleach holder, whatever you want to do. And then what you're going to do first is I like to sprinkle the baking soda all around the basin first, okay? Take all that baking soda and go all the way around. Then I like to take my vinegar and just kind of let that start bubbling up. Okay, so you'll see that bubbling action. And just so everything's mixed up, now I'm going to start the cycle. Okay. So now it's forcing all of that into those holes and into those crevices, which is great. I can really smell that vinegar and that baking soda doing its thing. Okay, so now that that's going, just let it run on hot water. You want to make sure that that water coming out is hot. I want to actually do that really quick. Yeah, there you go. Make sure that water is, this is hot water now, man. Make that water hot. And you can see that baking soda and that vinegar starting to froth up, which is good. So this is going to help get any bad smells that might be in your washer out of there, because the acidity of the vinegar is going to help kill any bacteria and stuff like that. Same with that hot water. One warning I would like to give people, for those who are unfamiliar with cleaning: never, do not ever, never, ever, ever mix vinegar and bleach. Never. Do not do that. It's a deadly combination. Use baking soda and vinegar. And I'm just giving this as like a disclaimer for this video. It's for entertainment purposes only. Do not ever mix rice vinegar or any sort of vinegar with bleach. It creates a bad chemical reaction. So keep it safe, natural. Use natural soaps, natural cleaners, natural detergents for this stuff. I don't like using bleach. I really don't. And I'm going to leave on that note. I have a little bit more baking soda here, so I'm going to sprinkle that in. Really get all the rest of that in there. And that's pretty much it. Let it run. Let it do its thing. And then you got yourself a clean washing machine. Once again, guys, links will be in the description below for your vinegar, baking soda, natural detergent, whatever you want to use to clean your washing machine today. I hope this helps somebody out. Just make sure you use hot water, normal, regular cycle, 2 cups of vinegar, half a cup of baking soda, let it mix in, let it do its thing. And that's pretty much it. On that note, kindleunlimtied.com is out. Peace.